Meet the Lioncooler X40A, the ultimate portable fridge freezer designed for life on the road. With 42 quarts of storage, it's perfect for camping, road trips, or even living in your car. Power it your way, AC, DC, or solar. The best part? The battery only kicks in when it's needed. Its removable lithium battery lasts up to 10 hours fully charged. Freedom to roam, worry-free. Control the temp right from the display, or even better, use the free app on your phone. It runs at just 40 decibels. That's quieter than a whisper. Sleep easy. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's more than just a cooler. It's your road-ready fridge. Lioncooler X40A. Stay cool. Anywhere.